Union Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Puri today announced that the centre has extended the temporary suspension of flights to and fro the United Kingdom till January 7, 2021. The flight's operation were suspended because of a new strand of the SARS-CoV-2 virus. Puri took to Twitter saying to announce the decision, aiding that strictly regulated resumption will take place, for which details will be announced shortly. Amid global fears over the new mutant strands of the coronavirus detected in the United Kingdom and South Africa, India recorded 20,549 fresh infections in the last 24 hours, taking the COVID-19 caseload to 1,244,852. The recoveries grows 98 lakh according to the Union Health Ministry data updated today. The death count increased to 1,48,439 with 286 new fatalities. The data updated at 8 a.m. showed the number of people who have recuperated from the disease surged to 97.08 lakh, pushing the national recovery rate to 95.99%, while the COVID-19 case fatality rate stands at 1.45%. Manipur's COVID tally has reached 28,096 with 34 new cases in the past 24 hours. The fresh infections were reported from Imphal West, Imphal East, Thoubal, Bishnupur, Tamenglong, Kangpokpi and Churchandpur districts. The state reported 5 fatalities in the same hours, boosting the death toll to 353. The active cases now stands at 1,222, while the recovered cases at 26,521. The recovery rate in the state further improved to 94.39% as per the Manipur government COVID-19 command control room. Hundreds of leaders and members of Hosai District Congress Committee participated in the protest demonstration against the skyrocketing prices of essential commodities, fuel, unemployment and anti-farmers law. According to media report, the Congress workers and leaders staged the protest in front of the office of the Deputy Commissioner at Sankar Dev Nagar in Hosai yesterday. The protester reached the protest site on bicycles, reports aided. The protesters shouted slogans like Congress Jindabad, Rahul Gandhi Jindabad, BJP Go Back, Sonowal Sarkar Hi Hi, Himanta Biswa Sharma, Still Aditya Dev, Muradabad. Haigang United Clubs organization HUCO organized its 11th annual Meritorious Award Distribution Program at MYANMA'S Sporting Club today. Meritorious students of class 10 and 12 under the club's jurisdiction who passed in the first division were presented with awards and gifts. Pradhan of Haigang Gram Panchayat, K. Jenta, said that HUCO organizes the award distribution program to help and boost the students morally. He also appealed to the students to study hard. Waiton Gram Panchayat Pradhan Pukhrambam Surbala today laid the foundation stone of a new shrine of Ibudao Marjing at Pangay in Imphal East. Shamans of the former shrine shifted the idol for the shrine construction work. Pradhan Surbala said that the shrine construction will be completed by summer 2021. Thousands of displaced villagers who returned to their homes last month amid a lull in fighting in Myanmar's Rakhine state are moving back into temporary camps ahead of the expiration this week of an unofficial ceasefire between Myanmar forces and the Arakan army. A media report said the villagers, mostly Buddhist Rakhinis, support the rebels of the Arakan army, which is fighting for extensive autonomy for the province. The Rakhine province, formerly Arakans, was annexed to the Burmese Empire in 1784. Many Rakhinis have dreamt of independence ever since, but most back a movement for extensive autonomy from Myanmar. At least 9 people, including 6 security personnel, have tested positive for COVID-19 in Mizoram in the last 24 hours, taking the state tally to 4,199. According to the COVID-19 bulletin shared this morning by the Department of Information and Public Relations DIPR, Mizoram, 2 cases were confirmed at Jora Medical College, JMC, and 7 were detected at TrueNet laboratories in 3 district hospitals. Of the 9 new COVID-19 positive cases, 4 cases were reported from the Lunglei district, 2 each from Aizawl and Serchip district, and 1 case was reported from Nathial district. 5 border security forces, BSF, Jawans and 1 Assam Rifle Jawans were among the newly infected people. Counting of votes polled in the recently concluded Gram Panchayat elections is underway amid tight security at designated places across Karnataka. According to the Karnataka State Election Commission officials, counting is taking place at all Taluk headquarters in the state by adhering to strict COVID-19 protocols of mandatory wearing of face masks, social distancing and hand hygiene. The counting process began at 226 centers at 8 a.m. and results are expected to be out by afternoon. Over 1,100 security personnel have been deployed at the counting center, State's Election Commissioner Bibasavaraju said. The center and the protesting farmers' union will resume stall talks today, with the latter sticking to their hardline position that parleys will only be on the modalities of repealing the 3 new agri-laws and giving a legal guarantee on the MSP, among other issues. Ahead of the crucial 6th round of talks after a 3-week hiatus, Union Minister Narendra Singh Tomar and Piyush Goyal yesterday met senior BJP leader and Home Minister Amit Shah. Media reports say that they discussed and finalized the government position for the meeting. The 5th round of talks was held on December 5 last, while the 6th round originally scheduled for December 9 was called off after an informal meeting of Home Minister Shah, with some union leaders failed to reach any breakthrough.